Like you talking about passion. Look at my beard, bro. It's terrible. But it's on YouTube, so shit. But welcome back, guys. Hey, it's Raj again. With another video. It's basically 2 videos in one day, but how I'm gonna send it out is gonna be one at a time. So we're back here with a new video with the shaved Decklid here. I'm gonna remove the big bulge right here with the GT. I'm not really a huge fan of it. Like I said, I'm trying to basically erase all the chrome here. I'm not really a big fan of the chrome that Ford has going on in the 2013s, 2014s. So yeah, shaved Decklid with also a GT badge here to put on that as well. And stay tuned with the whole process, and hopefully you guys like it. Remember to like and subscribe the video, and gonna get going. All right, guys, in order to remove the Decklid, there's 2 screws here that we have to get rid of. This one right here and this one right here. So remove these 2 screws and get a towel and a flathead and wrap the towel with the flathead and pry underneath here. And then when we get to this part, when we take this part off, we need a Dremel. It's better to show you than tell you. So when we get to that part, I'll tell you what's next. All right, like I said, guys, remove the 2 screws here. Then you're gonna get the screwdriver and pry it open. Take your time. There's little clips here that you trying to take off. So that's one out already. It's 2 out. Then come on this side and do the same exact thing again. Alright, that's that. Got it off. Alright, now we gotta definitely clean this up. And with some alcohol and put some electrical tape, not electrical tape. What's it called? Some waterproofing, some HVAC tape actually. So I'll have this off with some tape, and then we're gonna use a drummer right here and cut it out. Cut this out, this huge bulge out, which is really annoying, and put the new Decklid on there. All right, let's get to it. Safety first, guys. Don't forget safety first. My engineering teacher would be so mad at me for not having safety goggles on right now. So safety first, all right? Make sure you wear your goggles. I unfortunately do not have any. But when you're doing this, make sure you have the goggles on, okay? Boys, this is the end product right here after taking this off. So the next step is we have to wipe this whole surface down, get it very clean, use alcohol as well to prep the surface for the 3M tape. And then we're gonna tape it on, line it up together, and put the new Decklid on with the new GT badge. Next, boys, we're gonna add some paint right here to help with the rusting. You don't necessarily have to do it, just an extra step that I'm taking just to preserve the Decklid, I guess, so it doesn't rust or anything like that. So I'm gonna use this paint right here, protect the exposed metal, and then we use a tape and tape it up. All right, boys, this right here is the end product. Yes, it's very dirty, I know, man, but we got the GT badge on there with the shaved Decklid. We bought excess double-sided 3M tape just for this because for safety reasons, obviously, you know, we had to definitely do that. But next is get a car wash and show you the actual, well, you already seen the finished product, but maybe take some more pictures of the car. So this is what it looks like. They have the RTR badge here. Maybe I'll take this out later on. I'll take the RTR badge out later on, but for now, I like it. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. It's not too much, it's kind of short, I guess, but hey, it is what it is. Another video coming up anyway, guys, but take care. Enjoy the rest of your day and do something productive, okay? Raj out.